making this project, we need some robotic component like Arduino Uno, one motor driver module L293D, one HC05 Bluetooth module, one gear motor, some DC connectors, and some jumper wires. Friends, in Arduino Uno, I use the digital pins D7 and D8. This one. So we need to connect these two pins to the input of motor driver module with help of male to female jumper wires. Friends, make sure that this motor is need to fit in this corner or in this corner. So if you fit in this corners, then you need to use these two pins, right one, and if you fit this motor in this corner, then you need to give the D7 and D8 pin to left corner of this motor driver module. So as I put the motor wire in this right corner, so now we need to connect this D7 and D8 pin of Arduino Uno to the right input points of the motor driver module, like this. Now for giving the command from our mobile app, we need to connect this Bluetooth module to the Arduino Uno. Here in the Bluetooth module, you can see the 6 options, but we need to use only these 4 options. First VCC, here we need to give 5 volt, then ground, then TX and RX. So according to the diagram that you can see on the screen, you can connect your motor driver and Bluetooth to the Arduino Uno. Now friends, our hardware is successfully completed. We need to only give the 12 volt here to give power supply to our circuits. So friends, this is the whole code which we need to program in our Arduino Uno. In this code, first of all we need to define our digital pins that we use in this project. Then for Bluetooth module, we need to define static byte. Then in void setup, we need to write the pin mode of our digital pins, that is output, and the initial state of our pins. Then in void loop, the code begins. First of all, starting with if serial begin, byte read is equals to serial read. If byte read is equals to A, then our digital pin lock is high and unlock is low. And same when our byte rate is equals to B, our digital pin unlock high and lock low. For more information, you can WhatsApp on this number that is visible on the screen. Now we only need to upload this code in Arduino Uno and let's see that how our project works. So friends, after uploading the code in this Arduino Uno, the practical something look like this. When we on the power of 12 volt, then our Bluetooth is blinking, which means our mobile app is not connected yet. So friends, this is the application to control our lock from our smartphone.
Bluetooth is connected successfully.
Now our Bluetooth is connected to our application, and the Bluetooth device is also indicate us by stop this light. So now let's see that how it works. When we touch this open button, the motor moves anti-clockwise, and when we touch this close button, the motor will move clockwise. Friends, on the screen you can see the motor rotates when the button touches, and when the button touches it makes the another color for a few seconds. This second is also changed in this app settings. Here you can see many options for change the time of this motor according to your home kundi. You need to touch this option. Here I set 4 seconds. You can see right time in second. When I click on 1, it automatically changes to the 1 second. So now let's see again. When I touch this, the motor only moves within 1 second. Now this is stop. You can see again. This is 1 second. And when we again changes to 5, means 5 second,
Time delay changes to 5 seconds.
it again moves to 5 second. So you can also change the time according to your door kundi. So now let's put this all hardware on our door kundi, and let's see that how it works on our home to protect from any robbery. But friends, if you don't know the programming language or face some problem to make this hardware, so you can buy this circuit also. This circuit is all-in-one circuit. If you want to buy this circuit, then WhatsApp us. The WhatsApp link is given in description box. This circuit. In this circuit, you can see the same like this. The Arduino IC. In place of motor driver module, 2 relays, and the Bluetooth module jack, where positive, ground, TX and RX already given. In this circuit, you only need to put this HC05 Bluetooth module in this jack, like this. Now same, the motor wires here and the 12 volt supply here. Now check this also.